Today we're making cod casserole. We start with salted cod fish. There is a small process. You have to rinse it well to get the salt out, then soak it for about 2 hours. You put it on the refrigerator. After 2 hours, you take it out, put more water, and let it overnight. We cover the bottom of the casserole with about 1/4 cup of olive oil. We lay the potatoes, 1 layer of cod fish, 1 layer of onions, bell peppers. We make a mixture of wine vinegar, dry wine, paprika, and a tablespoon of garlic. We mixed it well. 7 ounces of chipotle sauce, San Marcos, and Iberia tomato sauce. We cover it and cook at medium-high from 20 to 25 minutes. Once the potatoes are soft, whoa! We add some olives and some pimentos. A very delicious dish for the holidays.